The Research, Innovation and Commercialization project was launched in January 2023 to bring research and innovation stakeholders and commercialization adepts to create content that can be used by the community, including entrepreneurs and university students. As part of the project, research desks are being installed in 5 regions across Ghana. iSpace is using the research desk to bridge the gap between universities and innovation hub. Each research desk will have tools that can be used for research, analysis, and consultation by its users. It will also give a platform for researchers to engage with the innovation hubs, share ideas, and form partnerships. The targeted individuals for the research desk will be students, researchers, entrepreneurs, and industry experts. The research desk will be strategically placed in 5 innovation hubs across Ghana. Noni Hub in the Upper West region, Hopping Academy in the Northern region, Upper Space in the Ashanti region, Japan Workspace in the Western region, and iSpace Foundation in the Greater Accra region.
The research desk is a laptop with internet accessibility with all the resources that an entrepreneur, a student, or a researcher will need to be able to do their research. Now, how would they access this laptop? They can just walk into any of these 5 hubs within the country, and all you need to do is to tell the hub why you are there, and then you'll be given access to the laptop. Now, the laptop have internet accessibility as well, and all you need to do is just scan a QR code on the laptop, which will give you a form to fill. After you fill the form, you will receive a prompt, which is the password to be able to log into the system and use the laptop to do whatever research you want to do. And in addition to that, you have a lot of resources in terms of softwares, in terms of past resources from other researchers for you to be able to conduct your research. So in terms of data privacy, all measures have been put in place to ensure that no one gets to lose his or her data or exposing his or her information out there.